Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Vidia on Dress to Impress from Tinkerbell. Oh my gosh, I just removed an accessory just meant. Grab this hair in this color 310B44, no adjustments made, and then grab this in the default. You can do animated as well. Position the Y.76, Z.78, and scale to 0.22. Grab this hair and position the X to 0.49, Y.53, Z.42. Rotate the X to 0.63 and scale it to 0.21. Grab this and just only bangs in the same color. Position the Z to 0.52. Grab this hair in the same color in bangs only. Position the X to 0.47, Y 0.54. Rotate the Y to 0.39, Z 0.59, and scale to 0.39. Some of the items do require Robux and VIP, I think, like the wings. But yeah. For the outfit, we're going to grab this and we're going to color the first one this color, CD6563, and then 3B032F, and then that same peachy color again. Grab this and color it that color, and then select the denim material, and I'm just going to kind of position it so it's like here, like at the back kind of, and I'm just going to scale it down just a little bit more. Maybe that's a good enough. And then we're going to grab this top here in the like leather jacket area. Select top only and color that the same like dark purple color. And then we're also going to, I think I'm just going to also add this too. Let me see. Okay, not this one, sorry. This one in just the like fifth without the chains, and we're going to use this color. I'm just trying this out. If it's too much like peach, I'm just going to remove it. And then I'm also going to add that like flower thing to it in like a peach color as well. And then for the other part of the top, I am going to use another VIP item, which is this in that same like dark purple color. And I'm just going to grab these for the wings and just color it in like a light blue color, CCDB F1. And then I'm just going to use these for the pants, these leggings in the type 3 toggle in that same color. And then I'm also going to get these shoes in the same color as well. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.